Have you ever pondered about a future where we grow our food without soil? Welcome to a world where science fiction meets agriculture, a world where the soilless farming revolution is taking a shocking twist. Today, we delve into the entrancing narrative of ESoil. Our journey begins in the ancient world, where the hanging gardens of Babylon flourished, not from soil, but from nutrients harvested from an adjacent river. Fast forward to the 20th century, 1937 to be exact, Dr. Gericke introduced us to hydroponics, a system that allowed plants to grow without soil, instead using a cocktail of added chemicals. Now, in the 21st century, we're witnessing another paradigm shift in agriculture with ESoil. This revolutionary technology involves passing an electric current through a substrate, causing plants to grow up to 50% faster. An electrifying concept indeed. As our population soars, reaching an estimated 10 billion by 2050, the challenge of feeding everyone grows ever more daunting. With agricultural land dwindling and climate change wreaking havoc on traditional farming methods, innovative solutions like ESoil and hydroponics may hold the key to our global food puzzle. In cities like Dubai, vertical farms, the marvels of hydroponics, are already transforming urban landscapes. These futuristic buildings use hydroponic systems to cultivate crops in controlled environments, slashing water usage by a staggering 90%. However, these awe-inspiring structures require substantial amounts of electricity to function. Here's where ESoil comes into play. Unlike traditional hydroponic systems that rely on energy-intensive mineral wool, ESoil employs a low-power bioelectronic growth scaffold. This innovative substrate, crafted from cellulose and a conductive material, is a model of energy efficiency. It's essentially a green tech superhero for plants. But before we get too carried away, it's crucial to remember that ESoil is still in its infancy. It's a single research paper, and we're on tenterhooks to see if it scales up. Fun fact for you, did you know that vertical farms can yield over 900,000 kilos of leafy greens annually in just a 330,000 square foot facility? Talk about a salad revolution. And there we have it, an electrifying exploration into ESoil, hydroponics, and the future of farming. This shocking twist in agriculture could very well be the game changer we need. Until next time, keep your curiosity piqued and your green thumbs ready for the future.